Here we have a HOUGEN HMD150 magnetic drill press, and we're going to power it up just to show you that it does operate. It operates very nicely. You have to have it on a piece of steel, and you need a green light, safety switch light. If it's red, it won't turn on, but it will turn on. So the unit does operate, operates very nicely. The magnet's still on. We turn that unit off and this up. It includes a slick stick, get your hold down for it, plastic case, and owner's manual. And this uses the Rotolock Plus cutters. The thing is in really fantastic condition.